Hello, in this module we will illustrate the application of parametric modeling for survival analysis. Here we will illustrate the application through support the software R. In R we will use some package like survival and other associated function to illustrate the applications of parametric modeling for survival analysis. In survival analysis, parametric models, parametric distributions widely used like Weibull distributions, normal distributions, exponential distributions, gamma distributions. Mostly they are used. If your distributions, if you are having idea that your response of interest, that is time, is following specific distributions, then it is better to work with parametric model or select the parametric model for fitting of your data. Let us see how parametric model works for survival data analysis. Here we are going to illustrate the survival data analysis through R. The data taken for illustration is on ovarian cancer data. First variable is taken as time. It represents the survival or censoring time. In survival analysis, it is the most important variable where you take the follow-up observations of each patient's, maybe year, days or month, anything. Here last follow-up of the status of the patients written as censoring status. If the patients alive at last follow-up, then status coded as 0. If patients died at the last follow-up visits, then status coded as 1. Alternative of this status also represented as delta, where delta or death represent at the last follow-up patients alive or not. After these two major variable, important variable, that is the main useful for survival analysis, we will go for other factors like age represent in years, residual disease presence or not. In this data set, presence represent as 2 and absence represent at 1. Rx, that is treatment given. If treatment given, then it is represent at 2. If not treatment given or placebo given, then it is represent as 1. Now, one treatment is taken as a reference group, and with respect to that, what is happening into the next treatment, the inference are drawn from there. We will see how the inference we can carry. Last but not least factor is the ECOG performance status is taken. If the less value is GOG performance status, then it is taken as beta. Now the question is, what is the therapeutic treatment effect difference on the survival durations? Now come to the illustration, how the R code. Here the reading the data. Here we are having few patient data, and first patient's follow-up times is 59, 115 for second patient. So like that, all patients' time of follow-up periods are detailed. So here in R we can call time as within parenthesis 59, 115, 156, like that, all individuals follow-up observations. Now second variable, that is status, we can go the status variable as 1 or 0. If the status represent as 1, then you can say the patient's not alive. If it is 0, then patient's censored. Third factors is like Rx, it is also given as 1 and 2. If 1 is given, then it can be considered that patients given the treatment placebo, otherwise the experimental group. Fourth factor like age, here age are considered as with years. So first patient's age 72 years 0.33, 74.49 years for second patients, like that. So this is the basic data used in this data illustrations procedure. Now we are coming to the next slides. other factor like residual disease, again it is represented by 2 and 1. Fifth factor ECOG.PS, and the score also given 1 and 2. And once we have the data set, we will call the data dot frame function, and into the parenthesis all earlier mentioned variable like time, status, Rx, age, residual disease, and ECOG.PS will be called, and here we are calling as a ovarian. So now onwards our database will be ovarian. Now next step is to call the library called survival. Another library called survival we will illustrate different procedure for parametric survival modeling. Now next step, R code. Once we have the data set, under that data set here we are having surv function. Here we are having the surv functions where capital SURV is under calling the time and status variable. Into that variable we will calling the SURV feed functions, and these time and status one side taken, and other side the variable called Rx consider, and Rx represented which type of treatment given to them. Once you call them, then after that we will ask the data equals to ovarian. These whole functions were assigning as ovarian.surv. Once you run the first line, then we will call the ovarian.surv, and xlab we can show the duration in days, because in these patients the follow-up periods, units of the follow-up period is days. Now thereafter we will put the legend, and the legend will show into the graphs that which plots which graphs or lines showing in which treatment groups, and thereafter we will put the title, that is ovarian cancer study. Now if we go to the next slide, graphs like that, ovarian cancer study. Through the x-axis we are showing the duration in days, how many days each patient were observed, and if you see the graphs started from 1 and it goes up to 0. If you go the theoretical property of survival analysis, we will find the survival analysis. In survival analysis, the Kaplan-Meier curves, it's a step functions graphs, is started from 1 where time is 0. If you go see the x-axis wise, the x-axis, when the x-axis time is 0, then survival is 1, that is at initial period all patient having chances of being survived is 100%. Once time keep on increasing, the survival or progression keep on decrease, probability of survival keep on decrease. At the end of the study, till for 1200 days, some patients were alive and some patients were not, majority were not alive, and you can find out the Rx wise, Rx once equals to 1, then the curve is quite high in comparison to Rx2. So we can see here the survival of the patients having treated with the placebo group is quite good in comparison to treatment group. Now we will go to the next slide. Here we will illustrate the R code for exponential distributions. Earlier we have seen that SURV FIT surfit, under the parenthesis capital S URV sub functions given, and into that time and status given. Here we are using the new function called survreg. This survreg is useful for regression approach. Here the response of interest, obviously the time of observations, it is assumed that time of observations is following the exponential distributions. So, here we are calling DIST equals to exponential and calling data equals to over n. It is to be noted, if you assume that your data following Weibull distribution, so this exponential can be replaced by Weibull. If you assume that your data is following normal distribution, then this DIST equals to exponential can be replaced by normal. If you assume that your data is following gamma distribution, then the DIST can be altered by gamma. Once we had run this program, thereafter we are having our output like intercept. As the intercept, we are having value 7.16, scale fixed as 1, and we are having total 26 observations of the patients. So, basically here in this R code, we did not consider any factor, just we consider the SURV function with time and status. Now, we will work something more in this data set. Here SURV, time and status, and thereafter factor like ECOG.PS and Rx will be considered for the database called ovarian. And again we are assuming that distribution is following exponential distribution. Now, what has happened into the result? Let us see. The coefficients are considered as ECOG.PS and Rx, and intercept also there. The intercept value is coming 6.96, ECOG value coming minus 0.43, and Rx statement value coming as 0.58. It should be noted that here Rx 1 is given as a placebo and Rx 2 is given as a experimental group. Here we are getting Rx estimated value 0.58, that means patients having lesser survival going with placebo. If it comes more than that, then we can interpret that patients having more survivals going with Rx 2. Now, scale fixed at 1 and chi-square value is taken considered as a 1.67 with degree of freedom 2. Here the p value is coming 0.43. Obviously, it is not a significance correlation coefficient observed, and we can say that the drug treatment difference observed between the two groups is not significantly different, but there is a discrepancy that observed through our plotting earlier, that Rx, the survival difference of Rx 1 and Rx 2. Here we are considered the distributions exponential and considered the factor like ECOG.PS and Rx, and as a result it is found that treatments are having not so much significant difference through survival considerations, but however cyclic difference are observed through different time points through our survival graphs. One thing is to be noted that here we are considering the one specific value throughout the survival curves, but survivals curves plotted earlier showed earlier, it is a dynamic curve where difference between two groups keep on may increase or decrease. So, difference between two groups are not always same. So, specific time points difference is not considered here. Overall treatment difference for survival curves are considered here. So, it is to be noted that sometimes happens, the curves alter to each others. The upper hand curves may goes to down, and down curves of curves go to up. In those cases, others specific applications are required, not only these distributions, parametric distributions, and it's a limitation that throughout the distribution, throughout the time points, the difference between maximum difference or minimum difference are not altered, are informed, can be altered, can be obtained through these statistical inference, but overall treatment difference interpretation can be obtained through the p-value. Here the variable like ECOG, PS and R is considered, but others factor like age, sex, economic status, disease status can be considered. Each factor can be considered as a simple regression modeling approaches, and thereafter the function called SU, RV, RAG considered for this modeling. These functions called capital SU, RV is useful to segregate the data that having censoring or not through the informations, time and status. It's a typical functions. So first into the functions into the parenthesis, the first variable should be considered as time, and second variable should be considered as status. In some packages, this times variable also altered as FU time and status altered as FU STAT. So you have to see the which package you are using for that SURV functions. So but the variable name for time should be represent time, otherwise FU time and FU stat or status based on compatibility of package to package. Now here we illustrate the exponential distributions, where maybe good example the survivals after doing the surgery. Once the patients treated with surgery, thereafter the patient's death rate keep on increase for certain period of times. In those cases, exponential distribution can be useful. The survival curves once looks like bathtub kind of thing. In those cases, the suitable distributions may be viable. So depend on your case to case how the survivals times observations looks like, the distributions may be fitted. However, there is an alternative way to selection of distribution or best suited distribution based on the Akai information criteria. Those things were not coming into details in this R code. If you having dilemma that which distribution you will choose, exponential or variable, then both distribution can be selected separately by DIST and exponential, and after that DIST equals to inverted comma variable. Thereafter we may check their comparable AIC value, the minimum AIC value, the data the model having, that can be selected best suited distribution in that scenario. Here some stratified data also been taken. Here in addition to the ECOG PS age, we consider the residual days for the ovarian data. The coefficients obtained as regression coefficients result obtained as intercept, ECPG and age, and these are the informations. Residuals recit.ds is taken 1 and recit.ds is taken 2 for their regression coefficients coming separately 0.48 and 0.69. So strata wise the regression coefficients can be obtained once we specify the function strata and thereafter our specific variable, the variable having dichotomous value. Here the significant difference are coming between these two factors for the 26 observations for the 26 patients.